guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to fix this Google Discover feed option not working. So if you are facing the problem in your Google browser feed option is not updating or not working, how to fix this problem I will tell you some simple steps to fix this problem. You just need to follow them and your problem will be solved. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. First of all, open your Google browser. So I am here opening my Google browser. So after opening, what you need to do, go to the top right side corner and here you can see the option. You can simply click here, and here what you need to do, you need to go to the settings section. So again I will tell you, you need to go to the settings section, and in the setting there are several types of option came out here. We need to go to the journal section, and in the journal there are also different types of option came out. There is option of discover. You need to turn this option on, turn on this option, and if this already on, then make sure you turn it off for 2 minutes and try turn it on again. So after this try to refresh your feed page, and if the problem still not solved, then what you need to do I will tell you. So again go to the settings section, and here you need to select the post, and you need to select on the not interested in this, and after this you need to select not interested, and here different types of option came out. So simply click on the not interested, and here you need to select your interest, and then the feed will be came according to your interest. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thank you viewers.